What I do is I take discarded wood, leftover pieces, tailings, fallen timber, and turn it into either utilitarian pieces or pieces of art. My Norwegian ancestors were extremely frugal, so using the wood that was already down just seemed like a good way to get started to learn the craft. In the process, what I discovered is the wood that was down and being discarded had the most interesting interiors. All of my work with wood is about discovering what's inside. As you turn the wood, if you listen to what the wood wants to be, you wind up with really interesting pieces. So I wanted crotches and Ys and places that are disfigured or discolored, because all the interiors of the wood then have this wonderful array of different colors and patterns. One of my focuses has always been to make sure my pieces are utilitarian as well as artistic. When I do a bowl, it may have a rough edge, it may have fantastic colors through it, but it's designed as a bowl to be used for salad. I started doing ScanFair about 6 years ago. I had a few Scandinavian items at the time, and I kept bumping into Norwegians and Scandinavians who would ask for things like krumkake rollers or Swedish butter knives, or if someone would ask for a lefse stick, I would say, I don't have any right now. And then I'd run home and look up lefse stick to see what they were talking about. It was such a good combination with my Norwegian background that I was starting to get a kick out of just making regional specialties. I do have a tighter connection with my background than I had before. We had been part of a Norwegian community, if you will, that was focused on blending in as opposed to standing out. So we didn't see an awful lot of traditional things when I was a young kid. ScanFair for me is a place where it's like a huge community of people. I enjoy having the kids come by because there's a lot of kids there, and their curiosity just makes my day because they want to know about how it's done and why it's done and what's this for, and they're great conversations the entire time.